Hi ARK fans, welcome to ARK Invest Daily, your daily dose of ARK information. Today, in 5 minutes or less, we'll try to cover April 26 trades. In highlights, we have two companies completely removed from the fund, one new company added, and it's added to 3 different funds. And then we will try to go over the biggest moves as well, one of which is UiPath, the company that they added to 6 ETFs last week. It IPO'd last week as well, and they added it to 6 ETFs. This is something that I've not seen before. So stay with me to find out which companies were removed, which was added, and what are the other biggest moves apart from UiPath or ticker symbol Path company. I'll see you on the other side. Please like and subscribe. Welcome back, guys. In ARK summary section, we keep an eye on high-level numbers, which is market value and total number of companies they are diversified in. Market value today has a nice uptick, 3.2% up compared to yesterday. Fund reaching 51.3 billion. So this is great news, good uptick there. And then its composition in terms of total number of funds. This 51.2 billion is divided into these 8 funds that they are invested that they have. Biggest one being RK, so this composition hardly changes, and the smallest one being Israel and Print. The newest one is ARKX, which is space exploration, which is 1.3%. It's bigger than Israel and Print, but much smaller than any of the other 6 or other 5. And then number of companies they're invested in is 271 companies, which is one less from yesterday. But it's actually, when I took a look at the details, I found it's 2 less than yesterday. So 2 removed yesterday. 2 removed today and 1 added today. So net 1 less compared to yesterday. So we'll go over which 2 were removed and which new one was added in just a bit. And these are the ETFs count of companies in various ETFs. If you sum it up, it won't sum it up to 271 obviously, because there are companies that are present in multiple ETFs as well. But you can pause the video and take a look at the count of companies they are invested in various ETFs of theirs. So that's that, guys. Let's move over to biggest moves without wasting much time. Today we have a threshold of 5%. So any company that increased shares more than 5% or decreased shares more than 5% will show up in this chart. We have, these are the companies. This is their rank. This is the rank of these companies in 270 companies that they are invested in. And this first chart tells you the number of shares added or removed, and the second chart tells you what difference did it make to the bottom line, to the market value, because it very well could be that a lot of shares are added but total value added is much less, but it is not the case in this case. So let's go over it. UiPath is the robotics automation platform company that they recently invested in, recently IPO'd, rank 58, pretty high up, showing a lot of conviction, a lot of confidence in this company. That means if you look at the stock price, it has been climbing up since the time it IPO'd, $69 reaching to $80 now. They added 12.1% extra shares today. And look at that bar chart. It is present in all 6 ETFs other than Israel and Print. So that's amazing. A lot of confidence that they're showing. Doing, which they added, which is ranked 73, they added 7% extra shares there, 82,000, making a difference of 14.8 million. Zimmergen, 7% extra shares there too. Cellcom, so I'll hover over these so you can see more details. It's present in RG. This is the company which was recently added too, just 3 data points there. Cellcom, Israel, they're adding more positions there as well, more shares to that position as well. Recursion Pharmaceuticals added more there too. And then they reduced 2, which is Xilinx and Pekar. So those 2 are reduced. So this chart generally is never in sync with this chart, but today it is in sync. So more shares added means more value added, more market value increased in this case. So that's biggest move by percentage of shares, but let's take a look at biggest moves by dollars, because it could be that a company's stock price is so high that just a small movement in shares can cause big movement in market value. So those companies will get captured here. KE Holdings, rank 29, a lot of confidence there. 0.98% is the weightage of the company in the overall ETFs combined. It has a total of 503 million invested there. All right, so this is the big reveal. This is a new company, KE Holdings, because you see only 1 data point there. So yeah, this is the first time it's added to 3 different ETFs, RW, RK, and RKF, and directly added at rank 29 with high confidence, 503 million. $500 million they are added to that company. This is amazing. So this is the new company, guys. This will also show up in new and remove company section, but this is showing up here as well because it is the biggest move, guys. Teladoc Health is this rank 2 in their ETFs. Stock price sticking upward, and they bought some more as well. Shopify, they bought 3.1% extra shares, and stock price also ticking upward. Square ticking upwards, and they trimmed it a little bit. CRISPR Therapeutics, they're maintaining position compared to yesterday, and the stock price ticking upward. Roku, stock price ticking upward. Today was a great day for most of the stocks. Earnings season is starting. Coinbase also ticking upward since the time they debuted. It has been going down, but today it went up, and they invested more too. Tesla ticking slightly upward, and they added a little bit of shares as well. Spotify Technology, there you go, ticking upwards. Exact Sciences also ticking upwards. Only negative is KE Holdings. So looks like there is something going on here. So they removed KE Holdings, 502 million completely, and they added it back again too, looks like. So I'm not sure what's going on exactly, what's the strategy there, but they removed it completely and they added it. So this is ADR, whereas this one did not have ADR written next to it. So that's something very surprising. If any of you know about this company or why they did this completely removed and then added as a different position here, please let us know. It very well could be that it was present in a different ETF and now it's present in 3 different ETFs. So this is how the overall picture looks, very green. So this is amazing. Only thing red is Pekar Inc., where they reduced the shares. Let's go to the section of new and removed companies. New companies is KE Holdings only, as it showed up. This was always there in past as well. Looks like they completely removed it and then they added it again. It's really strange. Not sure why. Maybe the different class of shares are added. It has ADR appended to it. Previous one did not. So this is the new companies. In case of removed companies, we have Taiwan Semiconductors, which has been popping up in past a lot. They have been reducing consistently here, and today they completely removed it. And KE Holdings, all right. So yeah, KE Holdings removed and KE Holdings added. So that's the that's the conundrum there. Not sure what happened. So they removed the position completely, $500 million, and then they added. Or it could be something to do with just the adjustments of where it is present instead of selling and adding. But that's what the data says. So that's your daily dose, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.